the slow, oh, oh. The eye of the storm or the cry in the morn, oh, oh. You're fine for